Hello guys. Now this is King Reki again. Now this I came across this blog made by Natural Beauty on November 17. Now netizens are reacting to Vera Sidika's naked in quotes photo. Okay. In it saying kingetoa tu nguo zote. Now, Vera Sidika Mugasio, born on 30th September 1989, is a Kenyan television and social media personality, celebrity, video vixen, entrepreneur, and socialite. Born and raised in Mombasa, Sidika gained media attention in her career when she appeared in Punit Single Guy, released in 2012. While socialite Vera Sidika has left members of the team of his circle, celebrating that her curvaceous body after stripping down for the glam. On Saturday, the bootylicious queen took to the internet by storm by her tiny bikini photo that she exposed acres of skin on the gram, leaving many drooling over her curves with the crazy reactions. Netizens are always careful to what celebrities post and are always reactive either in a positive or negative way. According to everyone's point of view, these comments from fans always help celebrities in many ways because it makes them change some of the traits and their fans don't like and also get appreciated for what they do right. Now this is one of the screenshots from Glam. Funny comment, this Kejotaiga guy commented Dogi Mebao. Now let's look at some more. Now Peter Sam said that amfukuza mtu hapo ndio apigwe picha. Pamela Anyango, aki wewe unachomea mlo ya mwenzako. And more comments. Now MCO Chalo Guinness. That's interesting. Now, through a known Facebook group, a recent picture of Vera Sidika has been going viral and was posted on the caption on the picture who said Vera Sidika can do cleaning. The picture got many netizens reacting in different ways. Now that's the one I just read. A cross-check indicates that the photo in question had attracted all kinds of comments by the time of publishing this article. It had over 2,900 comments. The curvy and well-renowned lass gave men the perfect view of her famous assets while dressed in a bikini, leaving the team Afisi drooling. In the picture that she was wearing on a small piece of cloth exposing most part of her body, had people suggesting that she should go dress before taking pictures. Others argued that the cleaning matters, saying that she cannot do cleaning. She had chased the cleaner from the scene to take pictures because she cannot clean with one hand while the other is holding a pet. Now, these are the reactions we just tried. So that's the blog for today. It was interesting, and netizens will never stop making me happy.